How's it going, everyone? Today is Wednesday, February 26th. Took a losing trade today going short. Let's get right into it. To start the day off, we manipulate lower, and at this point, I had a bullish mindset. What ended up making me go short, changing my original bias, was the horrible price action. A mistake I could easily have steered away from. I entered off of this change and stayed here, but it turned out to be a fake out, and price pushed further to the upside. My laptop ended up shutting off, and the recording stopped, but here is the entire trade. That ends day 3 of our trade recap. I know this channel just started, but to those watching, huge mention to Big Char Trades. Please check out his amazing work if you are interested in trading yourself. Subscribe, deuces.